Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you another favorite recipe of mine, and this is a German recipe inspired by the classic Flammkuchen, which usually has meat, so this is a vegetarian version with goat cheese. You want to start out with some flour in a bowl. You want to go ahead and add some salt, some olive oil, and then some water, and as always the exact measurements are down below the video. Then you want to knead that dough, and you don't want to knead it for too long because I struggled with that a little bit, and then the dough won't be as nice. So when it is a nice even dough, you want to go ahead and roll it out into a shape that is basically your baking sheet, so you know, 4 corners and stuff. When it's all rolled out, you want to set it to the side. Then you want to cut 1 or 2 onions into fine rings. You can use red onions, which is the traditional way. I just used normal ones because that's what I had at home. And then you also want to cut down your goat cheese into thin slices. With that one, I had to go a little bit bigger because otherwise these slices wouldn't work. Now you want to take some kind of like creme fraiche or something similar, and you want to spread it all over the dough. Then you want to go ahead and put the onion rings all over. Next, you want to add some dried rosemary. And this will give it a very nice taste. I really like that. If you want, you can also spread a little bit more salt. And then you want to add on the goat cheese. And last but not least, you want to drizzle a little bit of honey all over it. You can use honey that is already liquid when you buy it, or if you use other honey, you can heat it up a little bit so it is liquid and you can spread it out nicely. Then you want to bake this with at least 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until it is nice and brown, and then you're ready to enjoy. So I hope you give this recipe a try. This is the perfect amount for 2 people and a nice summer day. So I hope you like it, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!